Hi Weber fans, so today what we're going to be doing is making some beer bread on the Baby Q. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, for those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So as I said, in today's video, what we're going to be doing is making that famous Aussie beer bread. It's quite simple. There's only a couple of ingredients you need, and I will put those in the description below and a link on everything I use today. So make sure you check those out. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. First up, before we start, we're going to set our Q up, and we're going to set it up in the convection cooking system. So you're going to do a convection tray and your trivet, and then we're going to give that a 10-minute preheat. So what we'll do is we'll light the Q, and then we'll go and make the dough literally while that's warming up. Right, so let's get these ingredients and start cooking. First in the bowl, what we're going to do is mix 3 cups of self-raising flour, and we're going to need 1/4 cup of caster sugar, need 2 pinches of salt. Now we'll just give that a big mix. And now that's mixed, we're going to add the magic ingredient, beer. I like to leave a little bit just so it doesn't end up too sticky. So we'll see how we go. We'll get all that mixed. Just mix that until you've got a nice doughy substance like so, so it shouldn't be too tacky. And then what we're going to do is just put some flour down and get it out on the deck and knead it. And just like you put some flour on your hands so it doesn't stick to your hands. I'm just going to give that a knead. And that's now ready to go in our baking tin. So I've got our baking tin, I'm just going to give that a light spray, just some spray oil, and then get our bread. That in. What we're going to do is just melt a teaspoon of butter, just put on the top to give that a nice glossy crust. Then we've got our melted butter, and we're just going to coat the top of that loaf. And that's ready to go in the Q. Now we're just going to turn that down to medium heat. Right, so low spinning for an hour. Sounds hollow, so that's ready to come off. Right, so just tip this bread out and we'll let that sit and rest for about 15 minutes. And then we'll cut into it. Alright, so let's cut into this bread. And that looks delicious. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the video and it shows you how easy it is to make that beer bread. It's a really easy, simple ingredient and it goes together in a matter of minutes. And don't forget, as usual, there will be a link in the description below and everything I use today in this video, that includes the ingredients and the recipe that will be listed down there below, so make sure you check those out. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to any bloopers and I'll catch you in the next one. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that simple video, literally showing you how to make that beer bread. Try again. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick video. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick video, and it literally shows you how easy it is to make beer bread, and it's absolutely really tasty, coming off out of the. And don't forget, as normal, there will be a link in the description below to every.